Hey guys, it's Spike here, aka Trevor, and right now it is 3:01 a.m. in the morning, okay? You know what that means? Fidget spinner? Okay, so, it's the devil's hour. We're gonna spin it now, and at 3:33, so that's half of 666. Okay, okay. Let's get it. Okay, so, right on this, it's pretty dark outside. Just don't believe me. What's this? Yeah. Using a computer little light thing. It's a little light. So I'm gonna let this spin for a minute and we'll see what happens. So I switched it in hands like this. Oops, I accidentally stopped it, but let's see what happens now. Let's see what happens now, okay? It's 3:03 in the morning. And if you guys hear background noise, that's my dog getting a drink of water. Okay. His name is Diablo. That means Spanish for devil, so. So far, I haven't heard any noises. Let's see what goes on after this. I don't know if you guys can see him, but he's on my bed. You can't see him, so yeah. So let you guys know if anything happens. Guys, I haven't heard any noises yet, but right there is my doggy. See him? Okay, so I'll update you guys when there's noises. Let's just keep the clip rolling and see what happens. There's that. Oh, okay, so just waiting. Nothing's happening so far. So let's see what happens. Okay, so what the hell was that noise? Note, everybody else, my brother, my mom, and my stepdad are all asleep, so it's just me and that one dog, Diablo, and then I think the other ones are laying down somewhere else. So he just went out there. There's no slip. Okay, it's got a notification on my computer. Yeah, why do you keep hearing that noise? So, yeah. So hopefully this all stops and I'll see you guys at 3:33 in the morning. So, we should... Oh, okay. So right now it is 3:32. Any second now it should turn 3:33. Half of 666. The devil's hour, devil's minute, and stuff. I'm just watching the time. Just spin this fidget spinner. Okay, so I've been hearing weird noises, but I don't think you can hear them on camera. So, I don't know, but hopefully you guys can hear some. I'm still fidget spinning the fidget spinner. And you guys want to look at my computer screen. So, yeah, it's my computer screen. Oops, I'm gonna just put... Okay, so... But the that's weird. My button just got clicked. But yeah, like that. Okay, I guess that's gonna be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more challenge videos. Comment more challenge videos. So hopefully there's no more weird noises. If there is, I'll tell you guys tomorrow.